For your math skill today, we're going to be finding the area of different shapes. Now at the top, you can see that some shapes you can divide a square unit into two parts. So then you can count by halves. 2 halves equals 1 full square unit. So you can see there are 14 halves, which is the same as 7 square units. Let's go ahead and start with number 1. How do you know the area of the octagon is 7 square units? How do we know that this is 7 square units? Well, we know it's 7 square units because 2 triangles equal 1 square unit. So that means I can count 2 each. 1, 2, actually let me connect these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I connect 2 of them, I get 7 full square units. So I know, make sure you are writing this inside your Classkick at the same time as I am writing mine. I know the area of the octagon is 7 because, and I can make it smaller or larger. Because 2 triangles equal 1 square unit. Go ahead and pause if you need to type this out. Number 2, explain how finding the area of a shape is different from finding the length of a shape. So in our lesson, we talked about area being the inside of an object, and we find the area by using square units. Now, if we wanted to find the length, we would probably use a ruler instead of square units to help us measure. So they are different because area is the inside of an object, and length is how long an object is. Please type that out. We'll move to number 3. Count to find the area. Tell if the area is exact or an estimate. For number 3, we can count each square unit by using one of the strategies they talked about in our lesson. We can write out each number to help us keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I could have also found the area even quicker by looking at the rows and the columns. There are 4 rows and 5 columns, and 4 times 5 equals 20. I had 20 total square units. So my area is 20 units squared. Units squared. We can write that little 2 in the top to tell us that it's squared. Or you can also write the word squared. Number 4. For this one, we're going to have to estimate because not all of the square units are full. But first, I can outline the ones that I know are all full. I have at least 3. And I could add these 2 together to get another one. So that's 4. So 1, 2, 3. We have these 2 right here, which would equal 4. And then I could add this little part right here and this part right here to get 5 and maybe a half. It's a little bit over half. So I have 5.5 units squared. And I can say that that was estimated. Go ahead and write those two down. And then for your assignment today, you will be completing 5, 6, and 7 by finding the area in square units.